Okay, 22.2, when it comes to strategy, we want to start slow. This thing's gonna sneak up on you real quick. First and foremost, what we wanna think about is really high quality reps in the beginning. As you fatigue and as your heart rate gets higher, you're going to want to start falling apart on those reps. Do everything you can to not. Take a deep breath. Pause for a second before picking up that deadlift. This is just another workout in our regular training program. Don't go so fast that it derails the next month of training for you. This is also a 10-minute workout, so you wanna make sure that you can pick a sustained pace throughout. If you come out too hot, you could end up moving real slow in the end. Spend some time figuring out exactly what your strategy is on the burpee. How far do you need to be from the barbell? Which leg are you gonna step up with? Are you gonna turn in the air or are you gonna step and then rotate? Nailing all this down will add up to extra reps in the end. For the most part, the biggest strategy here is staying safe. So remember, we wanna compete, but we don't wanna get hurt. Adjust accordingly so that you can truly have fun. Best of luck.